How to tweet your Spotify Wrapped 2022. That's what I'm going to show you guys in this very quick video. So all you basically got to do is open up Spotify just like that. If it's the first time, you should probably get a pop-up with Spotify Wrapped 2022 is here. If not, it should appear right over here, as you can see. And if that isn't the case, then you can try to update your Spotify app. And if that doesn't work, then I recommend restarting your phone, because that actually was the fix that helped me, because at first I didn't see it either. But anyways, if you go to almost any of these stories, then you can share them. And I'm just going to do the last one. So here I can just click a color, then click on share. Here you can see all of these platforms. So I'm just going to click on Twitter. And here you can see that this is now my tweet. If you wait a little, like you can see right here, then it should also attach this picture right there. Then you can simply click on tweet. And that is how you can tweet your Spotify Wrapped 2022. So that is basically it. And I'll see you in the next video.